Hey guys, welcome back. I hope that all of you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you are new here, my name is Julie and I post videos on affordable beauty. So as you can see by the title of this video and also the name of my channel, I have some big news to share with you. I actually have two big news updates to share with you guys. First, I've decided to change this beauty channel from Julie Dawn Olsen to Julie Dawn Beauty. Since I recently got married, Olsen is not my married last name anymore, and Olsen isn't even my maiden last name. It is my last name from my previous first marriage, so that is the first reason why I wanted to change the name of my channel. Plus, I just felt like Julie Dawn Beauty is a little bit more fitting for my channel than Julie Dawn Olsen, even though I know a lot of people have their beauty channels just named their name. So the second reason is my big channel announcement, my second big channel announcement, and that is I'm starting a second YouTube channel. And I know that you're probably thinking, Julie, why did you decide to start a second channel when you have not been consistently posting on this channel? To that, I would say that I have been mentally torn about this for a while, thinking about starting a second channel, just because I have been wanting to, post other videos besides just beauty videos. And this channel is very niche, with affordable beauty. I love affordable beauty. And I'm just like, I don't want to mess this up. And I also don't want to mess up our community that we've built on this channel over the past 13 years. I know that when you start posting things that aren't really in your niche on your channel, it can really mess up the algorithm and just things like that. So that is part of the reason why I also wanted to start just a second channel to not mess this one up. Plus, I know not all of you on here want to see different aspects of my life. You just want to see my tutorials that I put out, and that's totally fine. And I do really enjoy doing makeup tutorials and, hauls, reviews, just all of that. I always have and I always will. So I definitely want to keep this channel going. But sometimes I get a little bit burnt out just always filming beauty videos, and there's just so much more to me than this. And I know that you guys know that. There's so much more I want to share with you guys. So after much thinking and planning, I have created a second YouTube channel. I've already created it, and I decided to name that channel just Julie Dawn. And I've already filmed my first video for that channel. It's just the intro video, just explaining my YouTube history and also talking about what that channel is going to be about. So if any of you guys would be interested in subscribing to a second channel from me, or if you would be interested in watching that intro video just to see what that channel is going to be about, I'll have that video linked above in the card, and I'll also have it linked down below in the description box. So if you're interested in that, be sure to watch that video after this one. But I just wanted to let you guys know about these changes, and I am super excited about these changes that I've made. I just think that Julie Dawn Beauty is so much more fitting for this channel, and I'm just so excited to share other things with you guys on my Just Julie Dawn account. So yeah, I'm just so excited what the future holds, and I've been wanting to change this channel's name for a while now, but I've been really scared to do it just because, my channel is really established. I've had it for 13 years, and I know that it might be confusing for some for me to change it, but it's just not my last name anymore. It's just not fitting for me. And I felt like this was the perfect time to do it since, I got remarried and it's the beginning of the year and I wanted to start a second channel. So I feel like that will help distinguish the two channels. So my future plans for my beauty channel is just to keep it as it's been and continue to post the same videos that I've always posted on here. And before I got my new job and got married and everything and my life got super crazy, I was doing an eyeshadow tutorial series. Like I had just started one on the Wet n Wild Color Icon 5-pan eyeshadow palette. So long, such a long name. But yeah, I had started a tutorial series on these. So I'm going to start that back up, and I actually just filmed a look today on the makeup look that I'm wearing using this palette. So that tutorial will be coming soon once I get the video edited. So sometime this week. And I watched some of my older videos that I had, you know, posted before all of those life events happened to me. And I was doing tutorials with like the e.l.f. New Classics and the Wet n Wild Always Blushing palette. And there's still some looks I want to do with these. So I'm also going to be doing tutorials with those as well. So, and at some point, I don't know when, but I want to film a tutorial on my wedding makeup. So those are the things that are coming for this channel. But you know, now that we're past all the craziness of everything, I am going to be posting one video a week on this channel, possibly more. I just want to thank you guys for always being here and supporting me on this channel. It really means so much to me. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys. So thank you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.